Hi, this is the Usdjpy pair, and today it's Tuesday, 18th of June 2013, and I'm looking at the 1 minute chart of the pair. The time is 9:05 GMT. Let's go see the bigger picture first. So the bigger picture. Let's go to the daily chart. We see that the pair is on an upward move. Let me remove this line here, which was from a previous short entry. Okay, during the correction. Okay. So we see that the pair is on an uptrend in general, very bullish mood, in a very bullish mood. And look at this move here on 4th of April, where the Bank of Japan had that big meeting, and that meeting pushed the pair 200 pips, I think, in a few hours that day. So keep in mind that they didn't do all this effort to see it cancelled. Okay, so we know that it's a long-term policy from the Japanese government it's part of their monetary policy to make their exports more competitive and to use the currency the way that will help their economy. So we know that, big guys know that, everybody knows that, so don't be fooled when you see these corrective plunges. These corrective plunges, they are, you can call them corrections, I call them fake breakouts, because they are artificially created for some guys to jump in as low as possible, to jump in long as low as possible. So on the weekly chart we see that the pair is on an uptrend. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko Hio, and I have superimposed Bollinger Bands, alligator and fractals, the purple arrows. We see that leading alligator was strongly curved because of this move for the last weeks, this downward move, but nevertheless leading Kumo is bullish and its edge is pointing upward, and it's starting getting sharper. On the monthly chart we see that the pair is in an effort to make a bullish Kumo breakout. If you enter now and if you follow the pair on its way up again, please, please, please do yourself a big favor. If you enter now and the pair continues and goes up, it's going to be a big ride up. So please make sure you will hold some of your positions. You may close some and take your profits in the future, but hold some of the positions you open right now. You will remember me. This is the dream of every trader, to enter early in a big move on the monthly chart. You just set it and forget it. You set it there and you just have an ATM making money for you, and you can go and do some scalping from time to time, but you let your big positions run. Okay, that's the big idea. So of course I hope I'm not wrong. There's always a possibility to be wrong. This is an awesome, I'm nothing, I'm less than the grain of sand here. I'm just observing the big picture, and this is what I say. This is what I say. So what I think. On the daily chart, we see that there is an effort, there is a reversal here, and the pair touched the 2000, almost touched the 2000 simple moving average, exponential moving average. I think it's the EMA, and it already crossed the 150 EMA. So we expect it now to bounce back, okay, to bounce up. On the H4 chart, we see this effort. We see that Chiku span has turned upwards, although it remains below past price action. These levels of the pair make it very lucrative, very attractive to bulls, okay? It couldn't be a better place for the bulls to enter, and they will enter heavily, believe me. We see this triple bottom formation here. It's a triple bottom formation. It's a strong bullish reversal pattern. It couldn't be stronger than that. Let's go to the H1 chart. H1 chart. We see that the pair just made its bullish Kumo breakout, and let's go to the, although Chiku span, where is Chiku span? Chiku span is here. It's not above the Kumo yet. We want to see it above the Kumo to make sure that everything will go up, okay? Because the Kumo territory is considered the territory of equilibrium and of stasis, and there is resistance where price goes up or support when price goes down inside the Kumo. Let's go to the M30. M30 chart. Everything looks bullish. Here is Chiku span. It's turned down a bit because of this small downward move, but it will turn upwards again and will keep going straight up. So position yourself now. Position yourself now. I have put a line where you could enter. You will decide which is the best point to enter. You will also decide where to put your stop loss. I would suggest you put it as lower as possible and choose one of these, of the three bottoms. If you can't afford going below this one, go below this one or below this one. Okay, you have three options. Pick one and stick with it till you're sure that price is already high. So the M30 we see bullish Kumo breakout, M15 bullish Kumo breakout, and the price goes up. M5 we had the bullish Kumo breakout. Here price keeps going up but with corrections. M1 you can wait for a strong bullish move here in order to enter. If you don't want to enter now, you can enter here. There's no emergency in Forex, okay? I may be wrong entering here, and you may be right if you wait and enter here. The difference is very few pips, so don't get panicked if you miss this point. No problem, okay? So this is it. Enter long. Place your stop beneath one of the three bottoms. Monitor your trade from the H1 or the H4 chart. Let's choose H1 chart because some friends are asking me, you don't give take profit target, you don't say where to exit. Well, let me give you a very simple rule here, although I told you that if you enter now and if the monthly bullish breakout happens, you should practically never exit, okay? Anyway, you can close some of your positions. When you enter with the bullish Kumo breakout, close some of your positions on a bearish Kumo breakout on H1 chart. Fair? price will go up, 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 and sometime it will turn, and you can exit, you can close some of your positions there, okay? Got me? Let me make it smaller so I can give you the idea. We have a bullish Kumo breakout on the H1 chart here, okay? You enter here, you enter with, let's say, 5 positions, okay? The Kumo goes up, 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 the price goes up, 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 and sometimes the price turns down and breaks through the Kumo from the other side of the Kumo, and we have a bearish Kumo breakout. You close 3 of your positions and you hold the 2 and you re-enter as price continues. Okay? Pretty clear? Nice. So, thanks for watching. Happy pips. You know where to find me. I'm just 1 email away from you. Thanks for your nice emails. I'm glad you enjoy the application and help me make it better. Happy pips.